morning, everyone. My name is Cheryl Robinson, and I am the Executive Vice President and Chief Operating Officer here at NYCM Insurance. It is my pleasure to welcome you here today as we celebrate NYCM Insurance's #1 ranking in customer satisfaction among auto insurers in New York 2 years in a row by J.D. Power. Thank you all for taking time out of your busy schedules to join us. At NYCM Insurance, we are incredibly proud of this accomplishment and are excited to share the news with all who made this achievement possible: our employees, our agents, our customers, and our community members. A special thank you to Robert Lajak and Joshua Solomon from J.D. Power for traveling from Detroit, Michigan to present the award today. Also joining us is State Senator James Seward. When we first won this award in 2013, we were fortunate to have the senator speak at a similar event. 6 years later, we're excited to have him back. I would now like to introduce our President and CEO, Dan Robinson, to say a few words.
Morning. I'm humbled and proud to announce that for the third time in our history, and the second year in a row, J.D. Power has ranked NYCM Insurance #1 in customer satisfaction among auto insurers in New York. Operating solely in New York, we feel especially proud to be receiving this award. Above all else, we really want to say thank you today. Thank you to our employees for putting your best foot forward each and every day, to our agents for representing the NYCM brand, and to everyone in our community. And a special thank you to our board of directors who are here in the front row, who have, with their support and their oversight of us, have helped to really contribute to our success. And thank you most of all, perhaps, to our customers for putting your trust in us as your auto insurance provider to be there when you need help the most. We believe insurance is more than just a commodity. Winning this award is a testament to the strength of our ecosystem and the integrity of our brand. J.D. Power is one of the most recognized customer experience awards you can receive. It's more than just an insurance award. And I dare to look, if you look at that, that's recognized. If you see it on TV, you recognize exactly what it stands for. Customer care is one of the biggest pride points and something we take very seriously. We've made an honest commitment to put our customer satisfaction at the forefront of everything that we do here. Knowing that our dedication to our customers is appreciated is a proud moment for every member here at NYCM. To be recognized for customer satisfaction is to be recognized for exactly who we are. So I want to thank everybody for everybody involved in helping make this happen. And now I'm going to introduce our state senator, Jim Seward, and he's also, we can consider him one of our friends. We appreciate him coming over today. Jim?
Well, thank you, Dan. I am so pleased to be joining you this morning for a very special day, for this company, New York Central Mutual, with the announcement that J.D. Power has once again named New York Central Mutual as #1 in customer service in the auto insurance category here in New York State. I view this achievement in a couple of different from a couple of different perspectives. First, as the local state senator, and for close to 20 years, I had been chairman of the Senate Insurance Committee. I certainly have been here many times over the years at different tours, and just last week we brought the new superintendent of the Department of Financial Services here for a visit. She went away very, very impressed with what she saw here and learned here. And I have always, as the local state senator, been very, very proud to have this company right here in our midst. And I also look at this achievement from the perspective as a long-time policyholder, both an auto and homeowner. No question, New York Central Mutual is very, very important to our local economy. The 600 plus jobs right here at this location, and of course more over in Sherburne, couple other locations throughout the state. That's very, very significant. In fact, New York Central Mutual is the largest private sector employer in Otsego County. And of course, when you add the close to 1,000 agents that are all throughout New York State, once again, contributing in a big way to our economy here in New York State. What has impressed me about this company is the fact that management recognizes the importance of its employees. Excellent benefit package, everything from flex time to that emphasis on healthy living. Maybe we'll go for a walk after today's announcement. All of those things, very, very significant, and certainly demonstrate very clearly that this company puts an emphasis on recognizing the importance of its employees. Positions here at New York Central Mutual are known as some of the best jobs in this region, and for good reason. There's a high retention rate in terms of employees. Most employees have many, many years of service here at New York Central Mutual. And of course, the emphasis on customer service and satisfaction. This company is known for that. In fact, during the tour last week, I learned you have a whole department specifically dedicated to customer satisfaction and the customer experience. And once again, the results are there. 90% retention rate for policyholders. I mean, that's an industry high, and that's very, very significant. It's clear that New York Central Mutual is an insurance company. You handle a lot of paper, you manage risks, pay claims when they come in. But above all of that, you are in the people business, and that clearly shows through the employees here and also the many agents throughout the state of New York. You know, this J.D. Power Award is a very prestigious award. J.D. Power is a global leader in measuring customer experiences, and the fact that they have identified, once again, New York Central Mutual as being #1 here in New York State in terms of customer service is very, very significant. Bottom line, Dan Robinson and the management team here at New York Central Mutual, they lead a fantastic group of dedicated employees. I applaud the New York Central Mutual team for their hard work and unparalleled work ethic and standards. You have all earned this recognition. So congratulations.
Thank you, Senator Seward. I would now like to introduce to you Robert Lajak from J.D. Power to speak more about the 2019 auto insurance study.
So, congratulations, first and foremost. This is really an incredible accomplishment. What I always want to stress is that when we get repetitive winners, year-over-year winners, that's truly something that measures a company by the standards that they've set for themselves. And we can talk about that a little bit more, but what I like to stress is that it's really congratulations to the entire organization. Everybody that's customer-facing, non-customer-facing, everybody is responsible for the customer experience. And the J.D. Power Award really symbolizes that excellent customer experience in a way that many other recognitions don't. The point that was made earlier, J.D. Power recognizes New York Central Mutual as highest in customer satisfaction is correct, but a little misleading, and in a good way. What it's really representative is the customers recognizing New York Central Mutual as having the best customer experience compared to customers of other insurance companies that operate in this state. And I think that's a really powerful message, because it's not J.D. Power that's saying what's important to the customer, what's making them have a good customer experience. It's them telling us, and we're literally just the voice of the customer, conveying that message and being that kind of medium that they can convey that back to the marketplace. And so it's really a great accomplishment to get that kind of recognition from your customers. So congratulations. I hope we're back here again next year. And I would like to invite Dan up to receive the second in a row, third overall for New York Central Mutual.